A properly decorated garden path does more than just provide a way to navigate through a garden. It enhances the overall beauty of the outdoor space, creating an inviting atmosphere that transforms the garden into a place of relaxation and enjoyment. The path serves as a visual guide, leading the eye and the footsteps to key focal points, whether it's a charming bench, a vibrant flower bed, or a decorative fountain. It helps define different areas of the garden, adding structure and organization while maintaining a natural, seamless flow. A well-designed path contributes significantly to the functionality of the garden. It keeps foot traffic off delicate grass and flower beds, preventing damage to plants and preserving the integrity of the landscaping. A thoughtfully planned path also enhances safety, providing a stable and even surface to walk on, reducing the risk of slips and falls, especially after rain or when the garden is wet. The right choice of materials, whether stone, gravel, brick, or wood, ensures that the path remains durable and resistant to weather conditions, adding long-term value to the garden. The aesthetic appeal of a garden path cannot be overlooked. A beautifully crafted path can complement the overall theme of the garden, whether it's rustic, modern, traditional, or minimalist. The choice of materials, patterns, and edging details plays a significant role in setting the tone. Natural stone lends a timeless, elegant look, while wooden stepping stones evoke a cozy countryside feel. Brick pathways bring a classic charm, and gravel paths add a casual yet sophisticated touch. Incorporating curves instead of straight lines makes the path feel more organic and inviting, mimicking the natural flow of nature. The lighting along a garden path adds both beauty and functionality. Solar-powered lanterns, LED lights, or softly glowing fairy lights create a magical ambience in the evening while ensuring visibility and safety. Path lights can highlight the texture of the materials used, casting interesting shadows and enhancing the visual depth of the garden. Lanterns or decorative posts at key points along the path add a stylish touch and make the space feel warm and welcoming, perfect for evening strolls or outdoor gatherings. Bordering the path with plants, flowers, or shrubs softens its edges and integrates it seamlessly into the garden. Low-growing plants such as lavender, thyme, or ornamental grasses create a charming and fragrant border that enhances the sensory experience of walking through the space. Larger shrubs or small trees at strategic points along the path add height and structure, providing shade and a sense of enclosure that makes the walk more immersive. Seasonal flowers bring bursts of color, changing throughout the year and keeping the path visually dynamic. A garden path can also be an opportunity for creative expression. Mosaic stepping stones, decorative tiles, or engraved pavers add a personal touch, turning the path into a unique feature that reflects personality and style. Mixing different materials, such as combining pebbles with wooden planks or placing large stepping stones on a bed of crushed gravel, adds texture and visual interest. The addition of decorative elements like sculptures, water features, or small bridges along the path further enhances its character and makes the garden feel like a carefully curated sanctuary. The practical benefits of a well-designed garden path extend beyond aesthetics. It encourages outdoor living, making the garden a more accessible and enjoyable place to spend time. Whether it's a morning walk with coffee in hand, a peaceful retreat for reading, or a welcoming entrance for guests, the path contributes to the overall usability of the space. It also adds value to a property, making the landscape appear more polished and thoughtfully designed, which can be appealing to potential buyers if ever the home is put on the market. A well-decorated garden path also contributes to the overall atmosphere of tranquility and relaxation. Walking along a thoughtfully designed path, surrounded by lush greenery and the gentle rustling of leaves, has a calming effect on the mind. The sensory experience of stepping on natural stone, hearing the crunch of gravel underfoot, or brushing past aromatic plants like rosemary or mint creates a deeper connection with nature. This immersion in a beautiful outdoor setting can be therapeutic, reducing stress and encouraging moments of mindfulness. Beyond personal enjoyment, a garden path plays a key role in entertaining guests and hosting gatherings. A well-placed path guides visitors naturally through the garden, creating an engaging experience that encourages exploration. Whether leading to a cozy seating area, a shaded pergola, or an outdoor dining space, the path enhances movement and flow, making the entire garden feel more accessible and inviting. During special occasions or evening events, strategically placed lanterns or pathway lights add a warm and festive touch, ensuring the garden remains usable and appealing at any hour. Another advantage of a well-planned path is its ability to handle different weather conditions. Properly installed paths with good drainage prevent muddy patches, making the garden accessible even after heavy rain. Non-slip surfaces such as textured stone or permeable gravel reduce the risk of accidents, ensuring safety for all visitors, including children and elderly family members. Choosing weather-resistant materials minimizes the effects of temperature changes, preventing cracks or warping over time. A sturdy, well-maintained path ensures durability, providing enjoyment for years to come with minimal repairs. The customization possibilities for garden paths allow for endless creativity. A narrow, winding path with irregular stepping stones can create a sense of mystery and adventure, leading to hidden nooks or a secret garden corner. A wider, more formal pathway with symmetrical borders gives a structured, elegant look, perfect for grand landscapes. Mixing in decorative elements, such as embedded seashells, glass pebbles, or patterned tiles, adds an artistic flair, transforming the path into a work of art. Seasonal decorations, such as pumpkins in the fall or fairy lights during the holidays, further enhance the charm and adaptability of the space. Functionality and beauty go hand in hand when designing a garden path. It not only serves as a practical means of navigation, but also enhances the overall experience of spending time outdoors. Whether creating a space for relaxation, guiding visitors to key focal points, or ensuring a neat and structured landscape, a well-decorated path is an essential element in any garden. With careful planning, quality materials, and thoughtful decorative touches, the path becomes more than just a walkway. It becomes an integral part of the garden's identity, adding depth, elegance, and a sense of harmony to the entire outdoor space. Maintaining a garden path is essential to keep it looking beautiful and functioning well. Regular sweeping, weeding, and checking for loose stones or uneven surfaces prevent deterioration over time. Choosing materials that are low maintenance, such as weather-resistant pavers or sealed wood, helps reduce upkeep efforts. Proper drainage is also crucial to prevent water accumulation, which can lead to erosion or slipperiness. Edging the path with bricks, stones, or metal borders helps keep the materials in place and maintains a clean, defined shape. The placement of the garden path should be carefully considered to maximize its impact. It should follow the natural movement of people through the garden, leading to areas of interest while maintaining a sense of flow. Meandering paths create a sense of exploration and discovery, while direct, structured paths provide clear guidance to main features like patios or seating areas. Integrating the path with the surrounding landscape by incorporating gentle slopes, steps, or natural transitions ensures that it feels like a harmonious part of the garden rather than an artificial addition. Using sustainable and eco-friendly materials for a garden path enhances its environmental benefits. Reclaimed bricks, recycled wood, or locally sourced stone minimize the ecological footprint while adding character to the design. Permeable paving solutions allow water to drain naturally into the ground, reducing runoff and supporting plant health. Choosing materials that blend with the local environment ensures that the path complements the natural surroundings rather than disrupting them. A well-decorated garden path has the power to elevate the entire outdoor space, making it more inviting, functional, and visually appealing. It serves as a bridge between different areas of the garden, connecting the elements in a way that feels intentional and cohesive. Whether it's a grand stone walkway leading to a spectacular garden centerpiece or a simple, winding trail through a wildflower meadow, the right path design enhances the experience of being in the garden. By carefully selecting materials, integrating lighting and plants, and maintaining the path with care, it becomes a lasting feature that enhances not just the garden, but the overall quality of outdoor living.